must have been so crazy when we thought that we were just friends. 'Cause I miss you, baby, and I've got those feelings again. I guess I'm all confused about you. I feel so in love, oh baby. What can I do? I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. Suddenly we're strangers, and I watch you walking away. She was my one temptation. Oh, I did, I wanted to stay. Deep down I'm still confused about you. Oh yes I am, baby. I feel so in love, oh baby. What can I do? I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. What good is being here without you? I wanna know. I feel so in love, oh baby. What can I do? I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Thinking about you. Thinking about you. Well, hi there, Pluckers. I'm a Sore Fingers back with you again with a great old song from a band called Londonbeat, and a song called I've Been Thinking About You. Standard tuning, but I've got a capo on the 2nd fret, and I'm doing it in the key of B minor, which is the original recorded key, okay? And I'm using the capo to make the chords a bit easier to play, because it's quite quick and there's lots of little fiddly bits in it, okay? So hopefully you might like to have a go at this, so join me in a few days for the breakdown, okay? Thanks a lot, bye for now.